Well, hello. I'm finally out and about. I can't think of any better way of being socially distant than going out by myself and doing a little relic hunting. This is a different spot. I don't think I've ever hunted here, except maybe once, but we're gonna go ahead and hit it up and see what we can find. Maybe some old World War II junk, maybe some old settler junk, maybe just some junk, maybe a horseshoe, I don't know. So we'll see what we can do. All right, we got our first target. Ancient tin can, probably army ration can. So I'll throw that in the backpack. And I'll probably put the backpack down here and see what we can find. I know I keep saying see what we can find, but that's what this hobby is. See what you can find. Well, we found some World War II. Shrapnel, yay! So they were blowing stuff up here. Might need to move on to another site. Also found remnants of the old school way of getting rid of stuff. When you went out hiking or something, they told you to dig a hole and bury it. Coke can. All right, we'll head over that way. And a modern bullet. It smacks something. Okay, keep going. And a couple bullets. Well, shell casings. There you go. And another. This one though is a 22-250. That's a lot of charge behind a itty bitty bullet. So yeah, that's what it's like exploring a new area. Coronavirus, a lot of dead air time and find a lot of garbage. I think I want to head over that way. So, yay. Okay, we moved over one field. This was a solid, it was a 70 and 62. It's right there. Let me move you over a little bit. Let's see what it is. Not too deep. Oh, there we go. It's right there. What are you? Oh. It's a pin. Aluminum. Yay. Well, that wasn't too exciting. Yep. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and guess what I find? They never leave me alone. All right, we're in the jungle. Got a pretty solid 89 in here. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, it's way back there. Let's see what it is. Look at that. Told you. Oh, it's an Olympia. Yeah, a lot of people back in the day used to bury their cans thinking they were being environmentally protective. But nope. That's okay. It's one more for the backpack. A brake shoe? What the heck? Well, they must have had a beer while they changed their brakes. That's an old bud. This bud's going in the backpack. That's kind of the problem of hunting places that have seen a lot of recreational use and other use throughout time. This area here, I've actually found a ton of World War II M1 Grand bullets, so I'm hoping to find a few today. They were down in this grove of trees where I'm at now. So we're gonna pick around them and see if we can find them, and hopefully no more aluminum cans and brake shoes. Brake shoe. I am so far away from the road, it's crazy. So a lot of people, it looks like, are trying to come out here and be socially distant from everybody. But unfortunately, there's a lot of people driving down dirt road that I had to drive through to get to here. And there's a beautiful hiking trail out that way. It goes to what's a nice old river and a waterfall and all that. But I've counted probably about 45, 50 cars going that way already. I'm glad I'm metal detecting. Oh yeah, by the way, got Simplex out today. I've never taken it out here before. I've taken the Amphibio out. So I wanted to see how it would do. I'm also using the pulse dive, and I got my easy wander in. It's in my pocket. I don't have a fines pouch on me because I'm kind of traveling light, so I'm just throwing everything in my backpack that I use for hunting. That way I can pick up all my trash that I find and whatnot. All my good stuff is in my pocket, which I think I'm going to empty that out now because my pocket's starting to get full of brass and other junk. So yeah, I don't have a little container to put it in. So it's gonna go in this little side pocket on my backpack. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, we got something loud here. Hopefully it's not a big piece of steel or aluminum can. Well, let's see. Oh, it's big. I'm underneath it. I'm guessing, oh, it's a big chunk of steel. It's a pipe. Yay, just what I wanted. More iron for the backpack. Okay, this was a sharp 72. I did dig 2 signals since I saw you last. One was a shotgun hole, and the other one was a pull tab. So maybe we break into World War II here. All right, it's in this area here. Oh, no. Oh, God. Thought I left the park. Wah, wah, wah. A bottle cap. Okay, rechecked my hole. And there was some World War II there. A rifling ring off of an artillery round. Sweet. At least that's something. Got an ant on me. I don't have an ant on me now. All right, you're on my point of view now. That's something there. It's an old shotgun hole. This one's more modern. Got plastic. I had another 72, 73. Right there. Let's see what you are. Oh, I see an imprint. See that imprint? Yes. Oh, there it is. It's a bullet, 45 caliber. That's an oldie. Sweet. Probably U.S. Army. Yeah. There we go. Now we're got some World War II. Tangible World War II. All right, so here's one for you. It's in the quad. I know it's a bullet, but hey, it's something. I'll throw that in my pocket. Here's a surprise. We got a penny. It's not a wheat. But it's a 1995. Wow. Well, I guess it stands to reason. Near the penny, I found a dime. Oh well. Okay, there should be something in this area here. So, it's kind of a high squeaker. Hopefully it's something good. That's further in the hole. Hopefully that's something. That's a good sign. Oh, there we go. Ah, now it's an old bullet. Ah. I don't know what it is though. Winchester 30-30. Great. At least it's an older Winchester 30-30. Well, I've been out here for about 3 hours. I got a backpack full of metal. Not everything's good, but you know, it's a beautiful day out here. The sky is blue with white fluffy clouds. And I wasn't stuck in my house. So yeah, even though here in California we have a shelter-in-place order, that doesn't mean isolate yourself from nature. Come out in nature, enjoy it. Get back to your roots. Get off the video games, you know. There's only so many times you can stream a movie. You come out here and get some exercise. Yeah, there's not much of a wrap up to do. I got a bunch of trash in my backpack. I probably picked about 6 or 7 aluminum cans that were buried at bases of trees. A couple pieces of pipe, and just other little pieces of garbage here and there. Did get some bullets, got some cartridges. A couple of bullets are World War II, definitely. There's a 30 cal carbine that's in there, and then a 45. So I did get some World War II. I did also have the shrapnel, but really I don't really have much, other than y'all stay safe, okay? I don't want any of you getting affected by this. I mean, it's basically like catching pneumonia, which is not a good thing. So I got to hike on out of here. I got about, it's not that far, maybe about a half mile to go. I went about a mile that way and basically to the end of the fence line and explored for a little bit too. But yeah, this is just an area I've never really been to. Well, that's out of the fence. I've been to this area. The last time I was here was about 7 years ago, and I was running my Xterra 305 here. So, and I hit it pretty solid, apparently, because I couldn't find one World War II shell casing. But I will run my machine on the way out. If I find anything amazing, I'll turn on the camera again. I already have a lot of footage I gotta cut through because I just ran the camera for like 13 minutes on one spot. But it sure is pretty out here. Wish you could all come out here and enjoy this. You hear that? That's right, that's nothing. Anyways, y'all take care. Good luck out there. Happy hunting, stay safe, and enjoy life. Bye for now.